What are we doing, Kibby?
Welcome to...
I know, I already did it. I already said it. What are we doing?
Today,
Yep.
we're going to do a big brake hit.
On what?
On...
What?
Type R. Type R.
It's an SER, guys. Type R. It's an Acura. No.
Alright, we're going to... Technically, it's
a spec?
We're going to pull it into the garage. Camry. We got a big brake hit that we don't know anything about.
It's StopTech.
We got StopTech's big brake kit. Is it like their special rotors, or is it like a...
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you pull unboxing videos? Because that's really what this is on.
That's what we're doing. We're doing a cool unboxing video. You asked for it. Don't talk if you don't want to fucking be in the video, man.
I just want to be background noise.
Shut up and don't say a word!
Stay away from me.
He's really back.
6 feet.
Alright.
Alright, pull this thing in the garage before I do it. Oh shoot, for the streets.
Just for the streets, people.
For the streets.
That's a nice rotor.
Very nice.
It's part of this thing. What the hell? What is going on here?
You're supposed to pick up the whole thing.
Oh,
It has handles
true.
on
I
it.
didn't see that. Oh, that does make it a lot easier to pick up.
Look at that.
Incredible. Oh, the boy. Air rotor installation bed and procedure. Alright, so I'll be reading that boring stuff some other time. Alright, we got a rotor.
How big is it?
Large? I don't know.
It's pretty big.
It's big.
It's pretty hefty.
Yeah.
Just slotted.
Yeah.
2-piece? Right?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah. So whenever I need to replace my rotors, it's gonna be a lot cheaper. So all I have to do is just replace the actual rotor, like the part that rides on the brake pad, not the center portion. And that means if I do want to go like slotted and drilled, then I can do that too. Alright, so it comes with that, and then in here, oh, we got 2 boxes. Okay. I'm gonna guess that the brake pads are in this box.
Which, what, you think they're gonna be in that one?
I'm assuming.
I don't know, are you sure?
I think so.
Push her
Just a wild out there assumption, you know?
Oh damn, are those brake pads?
Those, oh wow, look, they're brake pads. All right, so we got brake pads. Brake pads, rotor. I actually might not be installing these today because it doesn't look like it's gonna come with everything that I really should have.
What else is there supposed to be? Caliper?
Well, this is gonna be the caliper, but I also, like most big brake kits come with braided lines. And I feel like there aren't going to be those in here. No. Get out of the box. There we go. That is a nice size caliper. And it's black! That's not my car. So that's everything that should be in here, so everything should be in this box. So we doing it. Cool. This box should have the lines and the brackets. There we go. Alright, so importantly we have stickers. Some braided lines. Yes, sir. And then we've got some, is this, yep. Got some Loctite for the brackets and bolts. And we've got boys. So that's cool. So that's gonna be where the OEM caliper bolts go off of the knuckle, and then the new calipers fit through here, and then it'll go on here. Probably go ahead and, well, yeah, never mind. We're not gonna Loctite these, but well, actually, I don't know which one we would Loctite, right? We'd probably Loctite these ones and leave the OEM ones undone.
Depends if you can take the caliper off with the adapter on it.
I feel like that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
I'll read the instructions, but I feel like that's how it's gonna be. Because I feel like anything to OEM stuff, you wouldn't Loctite.
Yeah.
But yeah, all right, cool. So we can do this today.
Alright, so Michael has pulled off the stock GTR.
I mean, there's stock GTR.
There's stock GTR brakes, but they didn't call them this car. The GTR brakes are off.
Yeah.
Braided lines.
Going on.
Going on.
So this kit, they don't apparently make one for an actual, like, an R chassis. So it's for an S chassis or a ZX. Yeah, or a ZX. So this is made for like a 300ZX or an S13. So yeah, so we got a couple of these boys here that are supposed to be clipping points to the strut and everything, and I don't have any of those on here, so I'm just routing it like that, and it should freely kind of just avoid everything, so we'll be good. It's braided, so if it hits like this rubber hose, I'm not worried about it. But yeah, so I need to figure out what rotor is the right side rotor real quick, and then we'll be back and I'll show you guys a comparison of like the size difference of everything. It's gonna be dope. All right, so size difference. It's big, quite a bit larger. So yeah, I mean, this is still a 4-piston, isn't it? Yeah, so that's still a 4-piston. That's just a larger 4-piston. And but the size, like the diameter of the actual rotor is significantly larger. So, and then I mean, because it's a 2-piece, honestly, that feels lighter. So, we good. It'll be good. And then this guy, there's not gonna be much of a difference, yeah. Oh, not my display ball thing. There's not gonna be much of a difference in weight, just better stopping force. And then with the braided line, it's gonna feel just a lot nicer braking. So yeah, I have to go wash this rotor now. In case you didn't know, because I didn't even know honestly, but whenever you get rotors, they got some stuff on them to prevent rusting while they're sitting and everything. So you have to wash that off, and the instructions that StopTech gives is soap and water and then brake cleaner, and then they go on. And if you skip that and don't do it, then it's going to like prematurely warp the rotors, and it'll like gunk up the pads and just ruin the whole braking experience. So don't skip it. Guys, finished one side. I put the wheel back on already, so you don't really get to see it without. We'll make sure we show you on the other side what it looks like without the wheel. But that looks so much better than with the stock GTR stuff on there. Definitely fills everything in a little bit more. down the road I'm gonna get like actual wheels made. I'm gonna be doing a lot of other stuff first before I get the wheels done because I want to fix some steering stuff. But yeah, it definitely helps out a little bit for now. Onto the other side. There it is. It is on. It's done. It's pretty. It's kind of funny though, like sitting back with the Pandem kit, it looks really small. Like it's a big difference, and it looks really small still. It's not the most massive rotor in the world or anything, but it looks really, really small compared to the wheel well that it's inside of, which is also like, I don't know, like almost twice the size of what it was stock. But yeah, so I'm gonna throw the wheel back on, or we're gonna bleed the brakes, bleed this caliper real quick, and then I'll put the wheel back on. And then we'll be done with the big brake kit installation. While the motor stuff is happening, while it's over at RV Power Garage, I'll probably go ahead and have them take the rear calipers off and get them painted black as well to match the fronts, so I don't have any of this gaudy blue on my car anymore. And yeah, we'll be good. And I'm gonna go ahead and order some new rotors and pads for the rear as well. Yeah, so we're almost done. It's been good. Got this done. Kibby washed his wagon. How clean that is.
Swaggin'.
Incredible.
Dang.
No.
Swaggin'?
No.
Swaggin', shaggin' wagon? No.
But yeah, so it's probably gonna be it for this video, right?
Yeah, probably.
Probably.